Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, it's Make a Card Monday. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by today, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and welcome to all of my new friends. And a big welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and all of my longtime friends. Thank you guys so much for the wonderful ways in which you support me and my channel. Whether you're buying me a cup of coffee, hitting super thanks, you are a member of my monthly members group, you're watching my videos until the end, or you're leaving positive comments. Thank you so very much because it all helps. And before we jump into today's project, I have a little challenge for you guys. For those of you who are watching this video, I would like to challenge you to watch the video until the end. That really helps me with my YouTube performance. And performance with YouTube is everything. That is how we grow. That is how YouTube decides whether or not to promote a video. Your engagement with my video is critical to the success of the video as well as to the success of my channel. And I'd also like to challenge you that if you like this video, hit the like button, because today I really want to see if I can have the likes almost equal the number of views. That has never happened for me, and you can make it happen today. Normally, if I get about 5,000 views, I'm lucky if I get 1,000 likes. Today, if you like this video, please take a moment to hit the like button. I would really appreciate it. Like I said, today is Make a Card Monday, so we're going to take a pre-made card, alter it, but what's special about this is something that I didn't know. In all the years that I've been mailing cards, I didn't know that I could do this. And as we go through the process of making the card, I am going to share that one thing with you that I think you're going to find so pleasing and so attractive. It'll probably become one of the things that you start doing going forward. So here is an example of how we're going to alter our card. Now I'll give you a closer look in just a minute, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. So here is a closer look at how I altered this particular card. It was blank. I got it from the Dollar Tree a while back, and I thought I would just save it because I wasn't sure what I was going to do with it, but I liked the image on the front. When I bought the card, I bought it because I thought I might want to cut the image apart and use it in my crafts. But for Make a Card Monday, I took this blank card and I dressed this one up. I actually added the Happy Day banner to the front. And then when you open it, I dressed mine so that it would be a happy birthday card, complete with a little tuckable here so you can add whatever it is you might want to add to your card before mailing it. And of course we have some writing space here at the top. So I am going to show you how easy it is to alter a 5x7 card, and then I'm going to show you that little hack that I think is oh so sweet and cute. And I also embellished the front of my envelope because it complements the inside of the card. So here is the card that I'm going to be altering for today's Make a Card Monday. Now I actually do know a graduate, and I want to send her a little something. So I have this card, and on the inside it already has some well wishes. I am happy with how the front of the card looks, so I'm not going to alter it. I am going to do my alterations to the inside of this card on this side. And so here is the envelope that I'll also dress just a little bit. So here is my plan. I have these balloons and a banner, and then I have the congratulations sentiment. And I have a piece of pink cardstock because I wanted to play off of the pink flowers on the outside of the globe. So I am going to bring in my trimmer, and I am going to trim this to 5 inches. And then I'm going to put it in my trimmer at 1.5, and I'm going to slide this over because I want to trim away just a little bit of this. And if you choose to alter a card, you can make your pocket size whatever size you want it to be. But I just thought I would show you guys a nice little technique. So I am going to take my glue, and I am going to place some glue along this edge as well as the bottom edge. Then we can take this and you can place it wherever you want it. So I'm going to put it right there. Then I'm going to take my 2 balloons and I am going to add some glue. And we're going to place those right about here. Where I'm placing the glue is only on the string portion of the balloon because I want the balloon to stick over the top without gluing my little pocket closed. So I am going to take this one. We're going to put it like that. Then I'll take this little piece of Congratulations ephemera. Add some glue. I'm going to stick that right there. And then I'm going to take my banner and I'm going to put it on this side right there, just to tie the 2 pages in. So I'm going to just add some glue. And I'll take this piece and then we're just going to stick it down. And y'all, that's how simple it is to alter a pre-made card. I really don't need to do anything to the front of this card because it's fine the way that it is. But I do want to dress up the envelope just a little bit. And so I have this little celebratory piece here, and I am just going to add some glue to the back. I'm going to place it on my envelope just like that. You can get it nice and stuck. And so now I have a really cute card on the outside that we didn't need to do anything with this. On the inside, we decorated it to have a more celebratory feel to it. We can add whatever we want to add on the inside. And then we have a nice little envelope to go along with this. And so I am going to take both. And I am just going to slide these into my 5x7 baggie. And for demonstration purposes, I am just going to peel away the tape backer, get that nice and stuck. We're going to do the same thing with this one. I can open these again later. And so there we have it, y'all. We have both cards protected in a cellophane baggie. But did you know that you can now take this, add label information to the back side of this, and mail it? You can mail it just like this. Y'all, I simply didn't know that in the USPS, there are so many different ways that you can actually use various items to mail. As long as you have it appropriately affixed and you have it sealed properly, you can actually mail it. Can you imagine? This is waiting for you in your mailbox. You open the mailbox, you take this out, you can see the happiness, the cheeriness of it. It is instantly going to brighten your day. Then when you flip it over, even with the address label, you have a beautifully coordinated envelope. So if you wanted to make one of these for, let's say, a random act of kindness, and you didn't want to write anything on the inside, but you wanted to send someone a blank card that they could use for someone else, this is a great way of doing it because the envelope remains untouched. Now for me, I would actually add an additional strip of clear packing tape to make sure this stays closed. I love the concept of this. I was completely unaware that you could do this until my sister-in-law asked the question. I am doing some baby shower invitations for her, and I gave her samples in a clear envelope, and they look beautiful in that envelope. But I gave it to her in the clear envelope simply to keep it protected. She liked it so much, she asked if the invitations could be mailed in the clear envelope. I didn't know, so I told her I would check, and I checked with the USPS, and lo and behold, yes, you can mail your items in clear envelopes. A lot of you probably already knew this, but I will raise my hand and say I didn't. I learned something new. And that's the beauty of crafting. You never stop learning. So guys, I hope that you've enjoyed this super fun way to alter pre-made cards so that we can turn them into what we need for them to be. Whether we're using this as a giftable or we're using it as a random act of kindness and sending it blank to someone. Whatever your reasons and however you choose to use it, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. I also hope that if you are not a subscriber to my channel, that you will consider subscribing, because I would love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.